Welcome to 429 Adirondack Avenue in the lovely neighborhood of Clover Estates in Spotswood, New Jersey. Spotswood features a great quiet neighborhood with easy commutes to New York City, major routes, New Jersey Turnpike, Parkway, and the Jersey Shore. This home is 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, features new roof, windows, siding, garage door, 1-car garage, a tremendous oversized 150 by 100 foot lot that you're going to see in a little bit. The yard is all brand new fenced in, and we also have oversized shed, hammock area. There's a spa which is negotiable. Wonderful sized deck. Beautiful yard. We have new heat and central air Lenox. And as you can see, a great property. Can do a lot back here. It's just nice, easy, move-in ready. Back around the front, and we will go through the house. Lots of extra parking. You have the 1-car garage, tremendous amount of parking, as you can see. And again, nice quiet street, beautiful paved walkway and porch. Vinyl siding, newer windows. In the home, you have nice hardwood flooring, which is always a popular favorite. Nice large picture window. You have a gas fireplace. Nice, easy place to mount your TVs. Ceiling fan in the living room. Nice sized dining room with sliders out to the deck. The kitchen has been updated. Newer refrigerator, dishwasher, 5-burner gas range, self-cleaning with a built-in microwave, updated cabinetry, additional cabinetry here, granite countertop with the subway tile backsplash. Nice light area feel. Down the hallway, we have an updated bathroom. All new tiling, fixtures, lighting. Double vanity sink. Owner's suite with ceiling fan. Second bedroom, nice and bright. Again with the ceiling fan. Everything's nice and neutral. Mirrored closet doors in both bedrooms. Third bedroom with built-in shelving. We're gonna head down to the basement. Beautiful, fully finished basement. Man cave of sorts, but obviously it can be used for anything. It's a great spot for recreation, entertainment, games. You have a little built-in shelving here. Very nice touch, a lot of storage. Some closet storage space there. More storage here. Another closet here. Very convenient full bath. That's all been updated as well. And a lot more storage back here. Basement is completely dry. Has a waterproofing system. And the owners have not had any water issues. Washer dryer. Again, new Lenox furnace and central air. And that completes our package. All of this for an attractive offering price of $500,000. Hurry and come and make this your own today.